Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Fashom unboxing today, and Fashom is doing a Galentines giveaway that I'm going to tell you about at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. So we have our box. Fashom sends you 5 things. They send you a preview of, what they picked for you. Usually they start by sending you 7 things in their preview, and then you get to pick 5 things, but as they get to know you more, they only send you 5 things in your preview email. So if you don't like any of those, you can email them back and say, oh, pick something else. But more about Fashom down below. It's just a styling service. It's not a subscription. You just do it on demand. So it's pretty neat. So we're gonna open into this box and just get going with it. Okay, so I burst into the bundle. The wrapping was a little bit undone, so I just took it all out. But it's still in its bundle shape. So it looks like we have some jeans, some animal print, some, is that black? Black waffle knit, and some gray, and some brown suede thing. So I'm really excited. So they send you the return mailer, so you can just return anything you don't want in there. You check out on their app, it's so easy. And they do really good discounts too. So they do 30% off if you keep everything, and if you keep 3 or more things, you get 25% off. So I really like that they do that. Let's see. So we're gonna read our little note. Hi Rachel, thank you for styling with Fashom again. I hope these pieces will be a bright spot in your day. It is. For that cooler weather up there, I have included a mixture of some easy sweater / sweatshirt options and cooler weather pieces. Unfortunately, we do not currently carry Vagos jeans, which I had asked if they did at this time, but I have included a pair of our very popular Liverpool Myra straight leg jeans instead. A few of these pieces are a bit transitional as well, but one of my favorite styles could be the white birch Dawson sweater with elbow patch. I love elbow patches because it can be worn so easily with the jeans, and the Jilly L drape jacket for a comfortable yet pulled together look. Can't wait to hear what you think. Kristen XO. So it's pretty cool. So there's the different prices and everything, which I'll go over at the end as well. So we'll just get right into it. Here we go. So I was really excited about this one in the preview. It's gray, has little kind of detailing around the neck, and then it has that down the sleeve as well. And there's that little elbow patch. So I thought that was really cute, especially with the V-neck. And then it does have a longer back and then a split down the side. So it's really soft too. And then next is that waffle knit, and it's black, and does it have, it's kind of like a rounded hem, and then has the animal print on the sleeves, which is kind of like an orange burgundy-ish kind of animal print, which I also liked. I think everything in the preview. This feels like butter, and real butter, not like that I can't believe it's not butter. It feels like real butter, which, who doesn't love butter? I guess people that can't have dairy, and I'm sorry, but butter's great. Here is this very cute faux suede, I imagine it's faux suede, jacket, and it does a little kind of side moto zip kind of thing there. It is so soft, you guys. And then we have a sweatshirt, a sweatshirt, which I've been wearing a lot of lately. And it has a cute little animal print star on it. It's adorable. As you can see, I love animal print. And this shirt is from Fashom as well, which I really like. It's really nice for layering. So yeah, just kind of a gray sweatshirt. It does have kind of a thicker sleeve there all the way to the bottom. Like it. And then lastly, I'm just putting everything in my lap, so stuff is sliding off because I'm actually wearing a skirt from Fashom as well. That if you want to see the skirt I kept, I think, did I put it over there? There'll be a link over there and you can see that Fashom unboxing. And then next we have the Liverpool jeans, which are, things are falling out of, so dark denim. Just some little bit of light pattern right there. Doesn't look like there's any distressing. These are a straight leg. Ooh, I get blown out there. These are a straight leg, which I don't usually wear. So we'll see how I like those, but usually I do a skinny leg. So, all right, let's try everything on. So here are 2 of the items, and I like the sweatshirt, but I think the sleeves are a little bit long since my hands are, not really visible when I put my arms down. But it's really cute. I like the animal print star. I like the crew neck. It's really soft. I know I could just like roll the sleeves up, but that's okay. And then the jeans, they fit really nicely around the waist. They're the Liverpool jeans. I like the dark wash. I think I'm just not a fan of the straight leg though. Let me pan down and we'll see if we can zoom kind of in on them. Let the light come back. Let the light come back. There it comes. All right. So yeah, they're the straight leg. I do like more of the skinny leg, so it just kind of goes around the ankles better. Because these ones are kind of reminiscent of when you're in high school and it's raining outside and your jeans, you know, touch the ground and then the wet comes up. Like that's what straight leg kind of reminds me of. So yeah, I'm more of a skinny jean girl, but like I said, it fits really nice through the waist. There's real pockets in the front and the back. I like the wash, but I think these first two are just gonna be a no this time. So let's try on the other ones. This top is so soft. It is so soft. The elbows actually go, you know, with my elbow patch. I still have the jeans on, so I think that's throwing me a little bit, but it's a really nice length for like if you were to wear leggings or something with this top. I really like the detail here at the neck and the sleeves. It is so soft. Look in my mirror over here. Yeah, I think I like this one. I think it's really cute and I love gray. Let's try it on with the jacket. With our suede elbow patches and our suede jacket. Which this is so soft. So maybe I'll just, you guys. It is so soft. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. Okay, maybe I'll just keep this jacket. I don't know. That is so cute. I don't have a jacket this color. I have a black faux suede jacket, so this one would be really nice. Especially, you know, if we ever go out again into the world and like, you know, you're going out to dinner with the girls or whatever. Let's see if it zips. If it doesn't zip, I'm okay. It's not the end of the world because I would wear a jacket like this open, I think. Let's see. It is zipping. I just have to get the zipper over. Okay, here we go. We're in business. There we go. All right. See, the thing with these jackets though is like, what do you do? What do you do with this extra material down here? You just kind of try to tuck it under and then leave that open? I don't know. So that's why I don't think I would ever really wear it zipped. Maybe like quarter zipped, half zipped. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. It's so soft. So soft. All right, let's try on the last piece. Who knew I was gonna like this piece the best? Raise your hand if you thought I would, because I didn't. Look how cute this one is. I usually am like kind of iffy on shirts that have like the different pattern than the bodice on the sleeves. But I think this one goes out far enough here that it's more like kind of streamlined there. I really like the flow of this. You can tuck it in, let's see, to your jeans and be super cute. You could knot it like that on the side. You guys, this might be the one I'm keeping. Let's see. I really like the waffle knit too. So I might keep this one. I would wear this to work even. Don't you think? Don't you think? I could wear it to work. All right, you guys, very successful box. Thank you so much, Kristen at Fashom. All right, let's go over prices and we'll go over the rules of the giveaway. Okay, so prices. The Liverpool Myra straight leg jeans are originally $68. What's that hair doing? The white birch Jocelyn sweater with elbow patch, $39. The Holly Harper animal print raglan thermal blouse, $48. I thought it was gonna be a little bit less than that, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna have to do some thinking on if I wanna keep that or not. The Geely L Drape jacket is $68, and the Mono B Zoe Cheetah Star Terry sweatshirt, $56. So, I don't know, I really liked that last top, but I really liked the gray one with the elbow patches too, and that one is a little bit cheaper. So Fashom, you do $20 for your box, and then that $20 gets towards, put towards what you keep. So I do want to keep something, and if I keep the animal print one, that's only $28 more. So we'll see. We shall see. The box total was $279. If I kept everything, it would take $83.70 off, and that would make it $195.30. So a little bit more pricey, this box, but everything felt really, really good. So, you get what you pay for, I think. So yeah, that was this box, and then let's go over the rules for the Galentine's Day giveaway that Fashom's doing. All right, I might read right from my phone for some of the stuff about the giveaway because we all know, sometimes I forget things. So, for the giveaway, it is our Galentine's Day giveaway, and the first winner gets a $50 gift card, and 2 others are gonna get $25 gift cards to use towards Fashom for the US residents only right now. So maybe someday they'll expand to like overseas, but just for US residents only right now. So what you need to do is comment on this video, my video, with the hashtag #BetterAsIam. That's kind of like, they have that on their box. It's like a really nice, I don't know, thought, I think. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna go over to my Instagram, which is eyebrow06, and I'm gonna have a post with all the instructions for the giveaway as well. So you do have to have Instagram to participate in this giveaway. So I'm gonna look for my post there under eyebrow06. You're gonna follow some accounts. So there's mine, which you should follow already, and then 2 others, and then follow Fashom. You're going to like that post that I post, and then for extra points, you're gonna tag some friends in there. So they're gonna pick the winners at random, and then they're gonna pick the winner February 3rd, and they're gonna DM you on your Instagram. So good luck, you guys. I hope one of you wins. Let me know if you do, because I'll be super excited. And yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, which I think you need to do for the giveaway as well, possibly. We all know I forget stuff. No, just like my Instagram post. So give this one a big thumbs up though if you like this video, and hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and you can see more unboxings like this one from Fashom, which I love. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and good luck with the Fashom Galentine's Day giveaway, and I will see you next time.